Dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily add some site, some page in Android, in Google Chrome to your bookmarks. So you need just to open Chrome and just choose open page you want to add to bookmarks, and just click here and just click here. Here you can see, I will repeat. So just click here and it will open bookmarks, and you will see your URL. You can also edit your name of bookmark, and if you try again and you see not white but blue background color here on the star, it means that it successfully add your bookmarks, your site to bookmarks. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.